pedal-assisted mountain bikes, better known as e-mountain bikes, are becoming increasingly popular across the board. Same strong emotions derived from a sense of escape, freedom and adrenaline. We at Ducati have been fascinated by this product. This is why in 2019 we undertook this adventure with the expert support of Italian partner TK e-bikes, with whom we share the same values, such as the search for uncompromising performance. In collaboration with TK e-bikes and designer Aldo Drudi, we have developed two proposals. Let us find out about them together, starting with the MIG-S. Thanks to its 150mm of travel at the front and 140mm at the rear, this all-mountain is able to explore any trail and guarantees the rider excellent rideability. After the success achieved during its first year on the market, for 2021, the Ducati MIG-S has confirmed it will be equipped with a Shimano Steps E8000 engine and will undergo some important technical updates. Let us have a look at them in detail. With the new integrated 630 watt-per-hour Shimano battery, range is increased by about 26%. Positioned underneath the down tube, as well as being easy to remove, it ensures optimal weight distribution, ensuring stability and easy handling. The new aluminium frame geometry provides the MIG-S with even more riding comfort, traction and control on the most advanced routes. The new Pirelli Scorpion S tyres have been developed specifically for mountain bikes, with a specific structure to support greater weight and heavier use. The MIG-S is synonymous with versatility beyond all expectations, in all conditions, both uphill and downhill. Test your skills by discovering your limits and overcome them during every new ride. This is Enduro, a fantastic sport that allows you to train, get involved and reach fantastic places surrounded by nature. The latest generation of Enduro MTB bikes makes the way up as exciting as the descent, delivering the best off-road experience. The TK01 RR is pure performance, ready to let you experience those emotions that the e-Enduro can give you. The new Shimano EP8 engine, weighing 2.6 kilograms, is now among the lightest and most compact in its category. The maximum torque has been increased to 85 newtons per meter with a maximum servo assistance ratio of 400%. The torque is always delivered with maximum fluidity and naturalness. The EP8 system, combined with the new Shimano eTube Project app, allows advanced levels of customization to adapt the operation of the motor to your needs. The new aluminium frame features a vertical down tube that houses an integrated Shimano 630 watt-per-hour battery, thus ensuring good range without sacrificing the handling given by a low center of gravity. The geometries of the TK01 RR are definitely oriented to the most extreme e-Enduro. The introduction of the new head tube standard 1.8 tapered allows a new design and style, but above all, greater rigidity in the steering area, very important when doing the most difficult and demanding routes at top speeds. The lowered standover, in addition to improving the maneuverability of the bike, offers the possibility of mounting a telescopic seat post of up to 170mm for sizes L and XL. The TK01RR is equipped with high-end components, such as the Shimano XT 12-speed drive and brakes. This 4-piston braking system, in combination with 203mm discs with ICE technology cooling function, guarantees braking that is always powerful and modular. For the TK01 RR, we wanted a muscular fork, which could guarantee maximum steering precision and extensive customization options. With the brand new Öhlins RXF 38 180mm stroke, we have achieved this goal. In addition, the 170mm Öhlins TTX shock absorber guarantees excellent downhill progressiveness without compromising the bike's pedaling performance. Ducati TK01 RR, an e-enduro model with the latest technical solutions, ready to satisfy every rider on the most difficult trails.